Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Revolut. Here is the step-by-step guide. You can block another Revolut customer at any time. That customer will then be unable to send you messages, send money to you, receive money from you, or add you to groups. To block or report someone in app, you must need to follow these steps. First, go to Payments on the bottom menu. Then, search and select the Revolut customer. After that, tap their profile icon in the top right corner. You will find it at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap Block or Block and Report. If you choose to block the person, you can follow the same step again to unblock them. That's how you can block someone on Revolut easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.